putting out some more dung beetles, some winter active species called Bubus bison, purchased from John Feehan up near Canberra. Soil Cam is his company. He's a researcher, scientist, was with the CSIRO for 30 plus years, I think, and imported a lot of species, trying to work out which species were right for this continent. And the Bubus bison are a winter active species, and they can work in a cooler climate where we are here at Icy Creek. They're pretty amazing. They dig tunnels underground. They roll up the dung, they draw it down into the tunnels, they lay eggs, more dung beetles hatch, they come up. Having the dung taken underground prevents a huge amount of carbon and nitrogen escaping to the atmosphere from dried cow dung or cow dung that doesn't get spread underground. And they're creating tunnels which increases and improves water infiltration, which is one of the main things in any regenerative system. And they can move about 30-40 times their body weight, I think. They're pretty incredible, pretty amazing. And I've just dropped some down here now, and you can see that they're starting to burrow into the ground. So that's the soil media they came with, the chocolate colour stuff. But this one down here is really already starting to dig right down. They're looking for darkness. They don't like the light, so I'm just going to cover over the dung, which will give them a nice feeling of being at home. And there we go. Pretty awesome. Down he goes, or she I should say, burrowing straight down through the dung. Exactly what we want to see. She'll go down, tunnel down through the dirt, come back up, get some dung, bring it down, lay some eggs, and the colony will start to expand. Here we go. While we're learning about and practicing holistic management here, this is one of the best things that you could do in terms of regenerative ag. There she goes. Nearly gone. Nearly gone.